What's going on YouTube? Elsie here with another box break. Got the newest set of Topps WWE Heritage 2017 trading cards hobby box here. I got this for 70 bucks from a local card dealer. 24 packs, 9 cards per pack, 2 hits per box, 1 autograph guaranteed. I like that. And it's the classic, the iconic 1987 Topps Sports and WWE design. So got that throwback look. I actually just found out this product came out and I just went to my local car dealer and asked if you had it. I haven't seen any box breaks, so I don't know what to expect. I don't know what the hits are, but I love Heritage, so love that classic top style. So let's get into it. And 1 guaranteed autograph, you can't beat that. So let's get into it. Find these hits. Let's get something better than Undisputed from last time. On the last break, if you saw. Wendy Richter, Shinsuke Nakamura. Sorry if you can't see, that's a SmackDown Live. There you go. AJ Styles, Roman Reigns. I love this style. Kevin Owens. British Bulldog defeats Ken Shamrock. Typhoon. This is like that sticker. Oh, it was supposed to be a sticker. Finn Balor. SummerSlam. Undertaker defeats Brock Lesnar. Got a ton of packs to go through, so let's try to just speed through it. If anything, a note, I'll let you know. There's a nice Bailey. Future Stars, Hideo Itami. I love that. Love that style. Back when I used to collect cards. X-Pac wins hair versus hair. Daniel Bryan. SummerSlam. Shawn Michaels defeats Vader. Brock Lesnar defeats Randy Orton. Hopefully get like a legend autograph or something. Terry Runnels, Jake the Snake, Jason Jordan, Kurt Angle's quote-unquote son, Rhino, Future Stars, Asuka. I like that. It's a John Cena insert they've been having the whole year. Triple H, Shawn Michaels, X-Pac. This looks like our hit. I do believe. Ooh, that's the hit. That's pretty good if you saw that. Ultimate Warrior, SummerSlam 99. More Ultimate Warrior. Texas Tornado. Chris Jericho. Rusev. This one looks different. Ravishing Rick Rude. Looks a little darker. I don't know if that's a parallel or not. And the one hit is Brock Lesnar. Oh, I thought it was an autograph, but that's the matte. Number 16 out of 25. Survivor Series event use canvas. Pretty good. Alright, got the one hit out the way. Let's see what the autograph is. Hopefully it's... If there's a relic, at least it's Brock. Enzo Amore, Sheamus, Carmella, Luke Harper. AJ Styles, again, that darker parallel. Lex Luger, that looks darker too. Numbered out of 99, there you go. These aren't numbered. It's like a blue parallel. IRS, Ultimate Warrior, Triple H, and The Rock. Not too sure what the inserts or the subsets are, but Big Cass, Bobby Roode, Future Stars, Naomi, Brutus Beefcake, Fit Finley. Here's another parallel, Bobby Roode. Kofi, Randy Orton, Mankind. Hopefully I have enough room on this camera to show my hits. Finn Balor. Is this the hit? Nope. Another John Cena. Kurt Angle, Lunger Blaze, Heart Foundation. Batista, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Ric Flair, Sting, Jey Uso, Kane, John Cena, JBL, Roman Reigns. Bray Wyatt, Kalisto, Red Hitman Hart, Mr. Perfect, Trish Stratus, Mankind, Tatanka, Randy Orton, Kurt Angle. They're making us work for the second hit. D. Brian Kendrick, Johnny Gargano, Seth Rollins, Randy Orton, DDP, Naomi, Parallel, Edge, Bret Hitman Hart, Stone Cold. Dean Ambrose, Samoa Joe, Cesaro, Big E, Liv Morgan, Roman Reigns, Parallel, Kane, Brock Lesnar, John Cena. Come on, let's get this good autograph. Come on. Scott Hall, Alexa Bliss, Sasha Banks, Kofi Kingston, Alicia Fox, Shawn Michaels, Parallel, Texas Tornado. Is it X-Pac? Yep. Racer. Come on. Still got a bunch of packs left. We'll get 2 more hits. Come on. Wishful thinking, right? Baron Corbin, Kane, Undertaker, British Bulldog, Kevin Nash, John Cena, Parallel, Dolph Ziggler, The Rock, British Bulldog. $1 Million Man, Austin Aries, Brock Lesnar, Nikki Bella, Dusty Rhodes, Undertaker, Ric Flair, Randy Orton, Brock Lesnar. Do like completing sets of these, especially this 87 style. Topps is pretty good at completing sets within a box. Ember Moon, Dolph Ziggler, Roddy Piper, Lex Luger, Zack Ryder, Ric Flair, The Rock, Macho Man. WWE defeats Nexus. Sergeant Slaughter, Ultimate Warrior, Xavier Woods, Luke Gallows, Finn Balor, Lunger Blaze, Stone Cold, Mankind, Shawn Michaels. Natalia, John Cena, Macho Man, Stone Cold, Tommaso Ciampa, Wendy Richter, Chris Jericho, Brock Lesnar, Undertaker. Got about 7 packs left. Thanks for sticking it through. Rob Van Dam, Sid Vicious, Jimmy Uso, Chad Gable, Kevin Owens. Oh, and the autograph. Pretty good. Bailey. 25 out of 25 on card. Definitely happy with that. I don't think I have a Bailey autograph, so definitely happy with that. Let's flip through the rest. There's a bonus hit. Crazy Parallel, printing plate, something. It's been a while since I got a printing plate. I do like getting doubles. Maybe one day I'll grade them, even though they're probably not worth that much. But that's pretty cool. That wrestling cards rare. There's Bob Backlund. Oh, here's the managers. That's pretty cool. Didn't see that. The John Cena card. Got that Bailey 25 out of 25 silver. On card auto. Look at that Lana manager. That's pretty cool. I do love this style. Virgil. 3 packs left. Hopefully I still have memory for my goodbye greeting to you guys. Who knows? Another hit. A wishful thinking hit. I think that Brock is silver too. I could be wrong. Edge. Last pack. Bring the luck. Bring the mojo. No. So, pretty cool stuff. There's the 2 hits. Brock Lesnar, Matt Relic, numbered out of 25 silver. Bailey on card auto, numbered out of 25 out of 25 silver. So, pretty cool stuff. That's Topps Heritage 2017 WWE. Thanks for always watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. And peace out, everyone.